Quick reading for February 8th to February the 14th. This will be your weekly Aries. We have the Four of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Eight of Wands. Meron ditong ayaw pa munang makipag-usap, no? Dahil nasaktan siya, whether it is a biro, sa nasabi, hopefully hindi ito in physical form, no? Kasi pag nangyari yon, tarot reading is not going to help you. Pumunta kayo sa otoridad, no? May vowsy, kung ano pa man yan, sumbong kayo doon. Anyway, the reason bakit hindi ito ready pang makipag-usap or baka talaga sinasadya na kahit na meron na nag-send ng message, whether you or your person, parang hindi mo na ngayon, no? Baka kahit papano, meron pa rin galit, may konti pa rin inis. So parang kahit papano, kinoconsider ko muna yung silence, baka kasi pumutok pa ako uli, no? Yung ganon. Pahupa naman na, pero hindi pa sa ngayon, no? So this will be a quick reading, Aries, for February the 8th to February the 14th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.